the chain, really don't know how to act. You got a can't wait, you tell me
Florida, y'all. Hey. All right. Hello, YouTube. Welcome to my first mukbang. I am so excited to finally join the mukbang community. It has been a long journey, but I'm here. So, welcome to Eats and Treats with Kimmy D's. I'm your girl, Kimmy D's. So, let's just get right into it. Tonight, I decided to do a Chinese takeout. So, right here, as you can see, we have some Chinese chicken wings. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We have shrimp fried rice here. And we also have something a little different. I saw it on the appetizer side of the menu, and it's called shrimp toast. So I don't know if you guys can see that there, shrimp toast. I've never had it, so I'm really excited to try it. And let's see. Oh, can't forget the queen herself, sweet and sour sauce. We got a lot of that. So we're gonna drizzle and dip and get all that goodness. So let's just get into the food. And while I eat and you watch, I'll talk a little bit about what you can expect from my channel. So let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm super hungry. I cannot wait. I've been waiting all day for this. This is so crazy. I've been waiting all day. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna take this and dip it. Woo! I'm excited. Let's get the first bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's really good. Like I knew it would be. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's excellent. So good. I'm gonna let it drip on the shrimp fried rice. Excuse me, earlier, I had to take out my Invisalign. I was really gonna sit here and eat with my Invisalign in. You can't do that. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Look, no chicken left behind. You gotta eat all of it. Oh my gosh. That's super good. Wow. That's really good. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna pour some of this sweet and sour on this shrimp fried rice. Oh my God. Get into it. Woo! Yes. Wow. That's good, guys. That's going to be good in my tummy. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try. Wow. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So, let's talk. Why do they know how to make this so good? Oh my gosh. Okay, first things first. My channel. So I just want to bring you guys some good content. Different foods. And I don't know if you guys caught it, but by the song, I live in the Tampa Bay area. Thanks, Kaya, for that awesome intro. So that's right on the west coast of Florida, for anybody that doesn't know. And I definitely have tried some good foods while I've lived here. I've lived here about 3 years. I am originally from Florida, Pensacola. Shout out to the 850. But now I reside here in the Tampa Bay area. Oh my God. Guys, what in the world? Okay, I can't stop eating shrimp fried rice. Okay. So, oh my God. It's like singing to my soul. Oh my gosh. Oh, we gotta try shrimp toast. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is what it looks like. Yum. I'm gonna dip that in some sweet and sour sauce. Woo! Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. What? This is incredible. Let me turn this down. I'm like struggling. Oh my God. First of all, it's hot. But then it's like bread and a shrimp taste. Like a shrimp, but it's like fried onto the toast. Wow. Okay, so that was really amazing. I don't know what to do with that. Wow. Okay, let's get back into these chicken wings, cause woo. Oh my gosh, y'all. So like I was saying, I live in the Tampa Bay area, so we'll be eating a lot of good foods here and around the area. I'm really excited to try some new restaurants, so hopefully you guys will be on the ride with me to do that. Oh my God. Wow. This is good. This is really good. I don't leave any chicken on the bone either. Not at all. Wow. Oh my God. No chicken on the bone. Yes. So good. But I can't wait to like connect with you guys and see where you guys live, what's going on. So every mukbang, we're gonna have a question or a topic of the day. So I'm really excited about that. And today's topic is, where are you from? I can go on a whole spiel about places that I lived. And if you're like an army brat, that's cool too, because I want to know all the places you've lived and all of that. So I'll start. Oh my gosh. I'm originally from Pensacola, Florida. The Gulf Coast. I was born though, however, in Chicago. My parents are originally from Florida and they wanted to live somewhere different, and Chicago was on the list. So That's how they ended up there. Oh my gosh, look at this, y'all. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's so... Mmm. Mmm. Born in Chicago, moved to Pensacola when I was 2, and I was raised there. Then I went to college. Shout out to Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University, FAMU, and that's in Tallahassee, so I moved there. After that, I went to grad school at the University of Central Florida, and I moved to Orlando. Then, after that, I moved to DC. Shout out to the DMV. I had an amazing time there. After 5 years there, I decided I wanted to move again, but back to Florida. And that's how I ended up here in the Tampa Bay area. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I want to cry, but I don't think that's natural. Oh my goodness. So yeah, guys, tell me where you guys are from. The French toast. Wow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this shrimp fried rice, oh my gosh. Wow. It's so good. I can't stop eating it. Oh my gosh. So like I said, I want to bring you guys such good content, especially around this area. I think it's going to be really exciting to see the different restaurants and places to eat, especially since this area is known for seafood. Speaking of shrimp toast, oh yeah, that's it. Dip it in here. That's it. Another dip. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Truth moment. I'm a flapper queen. I love the flappers. It's my favorite part of the wing. It's so good. It's so good. Ooh, these are hot. Oh my gosh, these are really hot. Ah. Oh wow, it just fell apart. So good. We're gonna dip one more time. Gotta dip one more time. Yum. Wow. That's good. Wow. Okay. So, I gotta go back to the, I gotta go back. It's like loaded with shrimp. Look at that. It's like loaded with shrimp. I have to eat it. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Wow. So good. Mmm. I also gotta put like bean sprouts and the veggies. It really comes together. And onions. It's so good. So, I hate that I'm starting to get full. Oh my gosh. Okay. Maybe one more chicken wing. Ah! Flappers! Woo! Okay. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is like really good. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Okay. So, once again, my name is Kimmy Dees, and you're watching Eats and Treats with Kimmy Dees. I'm really excited to put out more content and do a lot more mukbangs, so I hope you guys actually like and subscribe if you like what you see. And if you want to see some more, let me know. And also, answer the question of the day. Question of the day was, where are you guys from? Drop down in the comments. Let's talk about it. I want to know where you guys are from and if we can connect. And I'm really, really excited. Again, I can't even say that enough. So I can't wait to meet you. And let's get going. Welcome to my channel. This is me. This is it. And always remember to strive for progression and not perfection. No one's perfect, but as long as you're making strides in your life and meeting those goals that you have set for yourself, you're always making progress. And that's all that anyone can ask from you. So, just like that, my time is up, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. And come back, subscribe, like, comment. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.